Manny and Morelli here, and we're on the excursion of a lifetime. We're here at Hillsborough River State Park, and we gotta find our way through the wilderness as we enjoy the trails here. We're going down the trail, Rapids Trail. Let's get going. All right. Fail. Mom. You ain't gonna fall in there. See that fall? Shit, dude. It's still muddy even when you get off.
Think I could do it with the camera?
Yeah.
Ooh, I hit that split.
We made it. We're here. The great river of Hillsborough River State Park. It's definitely a beautiful sight. The rain has been coming through here, filling this lake up, making the ecosystem look live. What a beautiful sight here, ladies and gentlemen. Possibility we might see something here, guys. Around this corner, it's unexplained.
Ooh, they're all over you. He's doubting you.
First animal we've seen all day. Took him.
See how far you can go. Yeah.
Fuck.
You're not gonna make it to Ninja Warrior if you keep being a punk.
Nice jump.
Out from the depths of the valley. We got in there. We came out safely.
What are you boys doing? Manny, come here.
Yeah.
We got Sam, the resident frat boy, versus Manny, the wild boy, and Morelli. Ray, count them off. You stuck by the tree.
Go back down, go back down.
That shit hurt. Ninja Warrior. Well, if I had my good old red rubber boots, we would have been able to clear this no problem. Today, we have made it to the point of no return, but to the great water spigot.
Broken. First one up. Next.
Ooh, some big ass ants on this bitch.
You got it. Smile. Sam, smile. Ooh. There they are.
Looks like we've come to a dead end. It says caution, but it doesn't say do not enter. What do you think, fellas?
Well, I think in life, a lot of times when you try to head down the road of success, there's a lot of speed bumps in the way. And sometimes you need to learn how to overcome those obstacles. You need to fucking go through it. We're out.
I think this is why they put the caution tape.
Well, unfortunately, the path to success is not for us.
Nice.
Look at that.
Ooh.
Happen to see one of the rarest finds. It's your good old smooth driftwood. This thing gets me aroused.
Bro, you good up there?
Bro, it's not even that tall, bro. Like,
What do you mean? Hey, this is going too high.
Oh.
Relax.
Yeah, you gotta grab this clip. All right, we're coming.
Yeah, and that's where the bluebirds will usually be at.
Yeah. Holy shit.
In all my years. What the hell?
What the hell? Go, go, go. Go, go, go.
He's in the sheds. Well.
I was getting eaten up. Now on, I'm just gonna drive in reverse. It's the only way. Put it into that.
I got drill for sale. Big boy drill can't find